just start this video at this point. A disclaimer, if you hear background noise, that's my siblings. Can't do anything about it. So yeah. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiara Chantel. So in today's video, as y'all can tell from the title and the thumbnail, we're gonna be doing some Aztec clay masks today. It's mad messy. I have the powder here. I got my bowl, my fork to stir it, and I got this little nasty apple cider vinegar with the mother. Okay, with the mother. Make sure you get it with the mother. I don't know the difference, but they always say make sure you get it with the mother, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so as y'all can see, oh my god, everything wants to happen on my phone when I'm trying to make a video. Like, so as y'all can see, I have these braids in about 2 weeks ago, and just to braid my hair down in a protective style. So every day I was using this DooGro hair oil. The light is like making it hard. I was using this DooGro hair oil. I also got me some Wild Growth. So that's what I was putting in my hair all this time, and as you can see, it's very fuzzy. Hold on, if I move closer, y'all can see like it's so fuzzy and like just ghetto looking, and I don't want to do it no more. Okay, I don't want to look like this no more. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see, but my scalp is looking very, very dry. You want to make sure you have water, unless you coming in with some like you went and wet your hair in the shower or something, then you don't need this. But I have this little water bottle so I can like wet my hair. Whew. Oh my god, my arm. I skipped. Did I skip? What? Fast. What the? this side, not completely dry. This is. So I'm gonna let this sit for, I got on the curtain. See a little bit right there. I'm gonna show y'all my pants. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna let this sit for 45 minutes. Then I'm gonna, you know what, why not? Why not? Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for 45 minutes. Then I'm gonna wash it out, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all so y'all can see what it look like, the results.
2 hours later.
Whoo, y'all. Okay, so I'm back, and my hair feels amazing. It's, oh, it's so soft. Get on up out of here. There you go. There you go. Woo. Pretty sure y'all can hear that. Like, anyway,
child. Anyways,
so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this leave-in conditioner. It's the pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner.
Two hours later.
I just want to show y'all me attempting to lay this side. Oh my god. It's a struggle every time. Oh my god. I'm about to give up. Alright, y'all. So, this is the final look. Turn around, show y'all the back. Thank y'all for watching this video, and if you would like to see more, make sure you subscribe so you know when I post the video. And yeah.